Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. If today is the first time we see our program, for here we'll bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Rio Ferdinand will be Manchester United legend with Gary Lineker. Don't tell Arsenal, say make them trigger Isaac Rizzo said that buyout clause, and this buyout clause for like £75 million. So make them trigger and make them make sure they sign this guy at the end of the season. So it will make sense for Arsenal moving forward. At least make them use and replace people like Lacazette where they find their square roots, because they need a goal scoring machine. Person will say he's very young, he never reach in peak, and they know say he's a bit score goals. If we not create chances for him, he go bust net. So because they analyze the Arsenal game style, the way that they play under Arteta, so they don't get better striker. Because if you check Arsenal now, the defense, the back four, they are solid. The goalkeeper solid. For the defensive midfield, they still get Partey. At least they will still look for a long-term replacement for Xhaka at the end of the day. If Xhaka decide to move or they decide to throw away Xhaka, but for now they will still manage Xhaka Partey. The only two that they complain for Partey, they say the guy sometimes he go turn up, sometimes he go turn up. For Xhaka, that one in red card and some kind of tackle wey they do, that be the only problem they get. Apart from that, the two of them are okay. So moving forward, the main place they go need to strengthen, maybe we just want to sign one playmaker. You get, after I get one playmaker, then get strikers like 2 or 3 strikers who can bust net. You get, and the number one name they talk to make Arsenal sign either anyway, anyhow you want to do and break bank, make you sign up, and I be Isaac, £75 million. I don't know what you think about this deal. I don't think, because for me, I go prefer make Arsenal even sign Jonathan David, because Jonathan David is a better player. The guy will score goals. And here's who scored for French league. You get, Isaac don't score like 4 goals this season, do 1 assist. So I don't know why they talk to him could go break in buyout clause. What do you think? What will be your opinion about this Isaac matter? Arsenal and Fiorentina, they decided they won't do meeting in the coming days to discuss the permanent move, the permanent deal for Lucas Torreira. You know, so Lucas Torreira did for Fiorentina on a loan with an obligation for them to buy him, and the guy not be mainstay for their team. So they really say, okay, they won't sign this guy permanently, but me I never know how much the loan obligation did. So they will discuss in the coming days so that Arsenal go like sell the guy, because the guy no gets any future for Arsenal. He doesn't have any say in Arsenal. Arteta no want him. That's why he ship him out. So everything they Fiorentina hand. If Fiorentina no buy him, we sell and give another person. Well, any way deals with this deal they go, I will let you know. At the same time, Kevin Phillips will be one of our super pundits. Don't come outside the talk say Bukayo Saka still dey very young and he go get better within game. And one thing when they say for this Saka game, they say in the future, say this guy will join Liverpool, and he they see Saka as the ultimate replacement for all this guy Salah now, because Salah no go be there forever and ever. One day he go retire or he go move. And as Saka dey very young, say Saka go fit replace Salah, even though we know say no player in the world go fit go Liverpool can't do the same thing with Salah don't do. Salah don't score plenty goals. So it go dey very hard, but we never know how it go be. You get, you never can tell. That's what it just be. During when the Maradona they play, that's what they go talk say, no player who can't do this way Maradona they do, or Pele, no player. I remember when Kaka dey reign, that time AC Milano, Kaka dey bust net, they play, they change match, they do things. People say, nobody can do it, Kaka don't do this and that. Even Messi, when Messi be Messi, nobody can do this. Where Messi today now? Look at those Mbappe there, don't be there in the room now, all this in Haaland now. Where Messi they do anything? Where Ronaldo? Now say just be. We don dey get low reports for Pablo Mari, and they thought say Pablo Mari enjoy a solid debut against Torino as Udinese win Torino 2-0. So we dey very happy for the guy. At least he don't come up for Arsenal when they surplus to requirements. He be part of our Benjamin community members. So Baba don't go there now. All they play week in week out. Now in first game he don't win 2-0. So now good one for him. At least make get more game time under him belt. So we never know whether at the end of the summer we will sell him, because we never know whether we go. If we dey for Europe, if we don't sell them, because we need all the legs, all the help we can get to get. Because if they play Champions League, they play England, EFL, they play EPL, they play Carling Cup, FA Cup, play all the whole cup and everything. So we need all the best legs we can get. So our prayer be say make him play where they develop more and come back a better player. Our prayer be that. Paul Messi will be one of our super pundits and don't be our legend, but I don't forget, like Arsenal legend in be. So Baba don't come as I call they talk about this Lacazette matter. So Baba come talk say make Arsenal no offer Lacazette any new contract to get. If Lacazette don't old, it's almost 31 now, and Lacazette don't do all the things we're supposed to do for Arsenal. You know if he do anything again. Even though for these 9 minutes and like 17 games to go, even if Lacazette come score 20 goals, make them no offer him a new contract in the draw at that. Yes, Baba, they hear me. Even if Lacazette do all the whole magic thing go do for this 9 minutes, no offer him anything. Ever since this guy come Arsenal, never fit score 15 goals per season. We don't need that kind of striker. What we need now is striker who can give us like 20, 25 goals, 30 goals per season. Don't think we will miss all those kinds of things during them Henry days, Aubameyang days, when they bust net, normal. Don't be now. We don't miss all those kinds of things. Check out the top clubs now. They get players who they score all those kind of number of goals to get, but we will not get that. So the bottom line is saying, don't give Lacazette a new contract because it will be detrimental to our success. I don't know how that takes seriously Baba talk. Should not support waiting the talk, not buy in point of view. Say no, give this guy a new contract. What you want to do, we never do before. You get nothing if you to offer again for us. There's nothing new under the sun. So we just need a new proven striker who can the post net for us. Let me know your comments. Even Kevin Campbell said don't come outside, I can't talk you know, Baba na pundit, so Baba can't talk say make Arsenal go break Erling Haaland buyout clause. And the guy buyout clause are like 75 million euros in pounds. It could be like that kind of 58.8 million pounds to make Arsenal go break the buyout clause of Borussia Dortmund. When I hear this news, I just laugh first because it's very, very funny. How Arsenal go break Erling Haaland clause? We don't go pursue Vlahovic no come. Now Erling Haaland won't go come. What is the guarantee? Say Erling Haaland will come join us at this point in time. Now after we don't get European football like Champions League, they mention all these kind of big things. I go talk say well they can come and prove themselves here, but don't be when you never get those things certain. They don't want to leave Dortmund when they go Champions League normal before they come Arsenal. No, I get as it be. I don't think say it go work. What do you think about this deal? Arsenal going to break Erling Haaland buyout clause, pay 58.8 million pounds. How that think? Mark Overmars don comot as the sporting director for Ajax, and wetin sup be say Baba come dey send some kind text messages to im female colleagues. He toast all of them. Say na even one send for even better. When they toast all of them, different. They send all of them message. Maybe all of them come do meeting because say, see this nigga out. See wetin this guy dey send me. Maybe all of them come know. They come go report am. So the thing come out for light. Even media sef come post am as in scatter social media yesterday. So Baba come tender the resignation letter and apology. Say no say all those things when they do say no make sense. So you get say it is too late. I know if you take am back. So moving forward, say one step down from Ajax, may go heal. So Baba don't step down from his position because of woman. So you don't go house, go rest. I don't know. All these people say they get money, they get influence. When they pursue 1 million woman up and down now, focus on one. You get reason the matter. Say now one say it will make sense, but this one they reason this one, reason this one, reason this one, reason this one. Now the same thing that they do Mason Greenwood for Manchester United now. Don't say the guy they don't release him on bail. They be sent now go prison now. Say they arrest him, saying European girlfriend, one thing. You know all those kind of things. You know make sense. You have money, you have influence, you have power. Before they misbehave or this when I see that news, imagine this kind of man. I don't know whether in career don't die now. I be maybe another person will stay higher now. Because this guy asked himself the reason I say okay maybe he go come replace all this guy our technical director this Edu Gaspar. Maybe they go replace him, or maybe na Richard Garlick go replace. Even Newcastle self, I remember when they do that new money takeover, the reason the guy say man come be the sporting director for there. Baba say no, say won't consider the highest job. If saying no, if you just move you don't know say down the line, say devil come do play work for your head. Well, don't happen, say don't happen. I wish I'm all the best. I'm a Watford goalkeeper wey they call Ben Foster. Don't come outside when they talk about Ramsdale. They interview the guy for 90 minutes. So the guy come outside when they talk say Ramsdale now world class goalkeeper. So Baba they talk say good goalkeeper dey and world class goalkeeper dey. So Baba they give the differentiation. Because they talk say a good goalkeeper na person say once in a while they pull saves, they go play well. But a world class na person say they do the thing week in week out. Say you go to see and you go be like say the thing easy, but you know easy you. But the guy to turn up week in week out every week they turn up as in the guy dey reliable. If you be Arsenal defender, even if person defeat you, we don't say I still get keeper for back. Anyhow shots no fit enter am, you get. We see Naka come out. So Baba they praise our Ramsdale. I'm saying they happy see at least the guy they get positive limelight. So they praise am. For a goalkeeper to come outside, they praise another goalkeeper. He go far, you get. If now we say we don't know anything about goalkeeping, we feel they praise am. That one at normal level. But for a top class goalkeeper, to they praise another person say this one, this one don't go far. It makes sense. Surprise, Arsenal weak midfield. You people dey complain, hey, Arsenal no get midfield, that they release Sambi Lokonga, they release Charlie Patino. That weak midfield don turn to strong thing now. Now we don get Partey, we don get Xhaka, and then he don come back. That's why they talk say the place don dey strong, and then he don come back. We still get our Sambi Lokonga before we come to check about the 5th member of the pecking order wey be Charlie Patino. We don get 5 midfielders now wey dey fight for 2 slots. You get just 2 slots that they fight for, and I dey very happy say it happen like that. So moving forward, at least if we look for where we go strengthen for this window, maybe na the striking department. I never know whether Arsenal still consider to bring back Zé Luís na former Porto player wey be free agent now. The guy dey wait whether Arsenal go call am, because we hear say they don offer am to Arsenal, make Arsenal reason the matter. So I never know. 17 games remaining, Arsenal go call Zé Luís, abi they no go call am. Go dey watch. Even Charlie Watt sef don come outside yesterday wey Baba come dey reason for social media, come dey talk say who Arsenal go play for right back. No say they say Tomiyasu get lingering problem wey go keep am out. So we dey talk say whether Cedric Suarez go play there, abi na Ben White go play there. Wetin una take for this matter? Shey you go like make Ben White play there, abi Cedric Suarez? Even Charlie Watt sef dey talk say him go prefer make Cedric Suarez play there, because e no go make sense to disrupt the partnership between Gabriel Magalhaes and Ben White. Instead of playing Magalhaes and Holding, e go good no play Magalhaes, White, then Suarez. And wetin Baba dey talk. For me, I go feel say for that Wolves match, it go make sense make them put Cedric Suarez, because the guy don dey fit, train for Dubai, play very well. It go good make them put am there. At least make them no disrupt, like wetin Charlie Watt talk, make them no disrupt that partnership between White and Magalhaes. It dey very, very key to holding the strike force of Raul Jimenez of Wolves, because that guy na prolific striker. The guy sabi disturb any defensive partnership. So Wolves now, they get one of the best defense in the league. This match, a very strong match. I know say na home and away decide that. After we play them, we'll play Brentford, come play Wolves again, home and away. So it is very, very key. So we'll keep all our best players, because that Wolves, they won't go Europe. We sef won't go Europe. So who get the best intention to go to Europe? Who get the best firepower to go to Europe? And today we go know. In the next 2 days, like 10th, on the 10th, they will know how the match will go. At the same time, Michael Rickards don come outside for pundit duty. So Baba come dey talk say make Arsenal no sign Yuri Tillemans again, and Baba come dey give him reasons. So he come dey talk say this Yuri Tillemans last season he was the best player in Leicester City, but today now the guy is now a shadow of himself. The guy don dey play very well this season. Say he no understand why. Again, the guy don lose form. Say Arsenal no need a player wey say he go turn up today, he no go turn up tomorrow. They need somebody wey dey stable, wey be say him performances go be week in week out, go give you massive performance, again massive productivity. Now wetin we need, you get. So Baba dey advise us against signing Yuri Tillemans. How una take see this thing? If una feel say Baba dey talk true, say mo no sign the guy, abi the reason say he no really know much about the player, wetin una get to talk about this matter? At the same time, we already say Pepe and Arteta do closed door meetings. So they come reason after the guy come back from AFCON. So Arteta come give am some assurances, saying go change your role, saying go play, and Pepe come run go social media, come post 2-word message. Baba come type I'm back. So I never know back from where. Is it you are back from AFCON, or you are back to the first 11? Which back you did back from? I never really know. Well, more the watch. My joy for Pepe be say he don't go AFCON, prove himself, come back. Maybe you get that energy, you get that morale booster. Even though they don't win the competition, but at least in play for the ST score, make assist. So maybe go carry that performances, come ask that, come display for us. Never know. More the watch. When Juventus played their first match with Vlahovic against Verona, I said make I run go watch am, because Massimiliano Allegri, like I don't talk before, he talk say won't use Morata and Vlahovic from forward, and truly he used them. Now 4-4-2 them play Morata and Vlahovic, and then start 30 minutes now it take for Vlahovic to bust net to open in Juventus account. The guy did, sure the guy good man, no lie. I watched the match because of him. I go watch the match. The guy scored that first goal. After he scored, then Dennis Zakaria now can score the second goal, which means the 2 new players who them bring, I can score for that match for them. It was very nice. Pablo Dybala just did for the midfield, just they distribute for the 2 of them, and they can score. Even though the fog, they cover most part of the field, you say smoke everywhere, nobody see where, they still manage to play and score. Very nice one for them now. So if you don't watch yesterday's show, my dear football lovers, check the top left corner of your screen. You will see the thumbnail. Click and make you get all the updates concerning Arsenal, because I don't want to miss any chinkini updates moving forward. So it's CHUKS signing out. Have a nice day. I get out.